You're watching this and you're a writer and you're looking for some submissions to make in the month of August, then I have a few suggestions for you. I've compiled a list of about 6 or 7 open submissions, right? So if you write poetry, fiction, prose, stories, different categories, right? Some magazines or publications are willing to accept these things from you. And yeah, I made a list of about 6 or 7 in this video, and I'm about to switch over to my computer and share this list with you. So let's get into the video. And by the way, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if that's something that interests you, then you want to hit the subscribe button so that you continue to see more of my videos. All right, let's get into the video. Look at this. It's a fiction contest inviting you to share your vision of people working towards liberatory futures, meeting obstacles, and making real changes. So it's a deep prize. Yeah, and it spans into different categories. There's for public AI, for democratic future, so you can pick the one that you want to apply for and do that. Let's look at the rules. You can see here they are seeking previously unpublished stories of 506,000 words, so it has to be unpublished, and then there's a $5,000 prize for each category. Okay, so you can look through this later and you can see that this one ends on the 31st of July, so you need to move fast. Then there's this one is called Reader's Right, and it's like a feature in the Sun magazine, so they are looking to use your story as their feature. Okay, so they share personal writing on a given topic, so you should check their topics, and then you can share personal writing on it. Okay, then look at this. They have length between 300 to 1,000 words. They've told you how to submit. There is no price for this particular one, but what you get is a 1 year you get a 1 year subscription to this magazine, so you get it for free for 1 year, and also you get your work published. Okay, so yeah, you can try it out if you want to appear in the Sun magazine. It means you only have to write one sentence, and your sentence can win, I think, $50. Look at it. If they love your sentence, then you win $50 and an annual membership. Okay, so your maximum word count is 20. You only have to write 20 words a sentence, and submission opens on the 1st of August. Yeah, so you can go ahead and apply for this one as well. Read the rules properly, and if it's something that suits you, then you can go ahead and apply, right? Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now this is a feature in Cosmopolitan Magazine, and this one is actually on a rolling basis, right? It's not something that has like a deadline, so it happens on a rolling basis. If you go through this, you'd see everything they want from you. Look at this. You can pitch to them, pitch your story to them. Is it a great beauty story for the website or a longer read feature for the magazine? So they have different categories, but mostly beauty. This is everything they're expecting your pitch to have. And then they said they receive hundreds of pitches, so if they love your pitch, they get back to you and tell you that they want it on. So definitely take a look at this. You can take the time later to look at it and see if it's something that you would want to apply for, and then go ahead and apply. Okay, so yeah, also they have, you can become a regular contributor on their website. If you don't want to join the magazine, you can just contribute on their website, and they also have rules that govern that process, so you can go ahead to do that. Okay, so that's that Cosmopolitan Magazine. The next one we have is this submission. Now this submission is currently closed, however I love it so much, I'm going to pitch it to you because they're going to be open very soon, so you need to keep your eyes on this issue. So it's called Strange Horizon, and it's a fiction submission. So you can see speculative fiction up to 10,000 words, under 5,000 preferred. Now they pay you 10 cents per word, so depends on how many words your piece has, and if they choose it, they love it, they're going to pay you for it. They say they prefer stories between 1,000 and 5,000 words, so you can do the math and know how much you can make from this. They've shown you how to submit, response time. The only issue I have with this is that they are currently closed, but put your eyes on this page because they are going to open up soon and you want to hurry in once they are open. The next one is this one from Brief Project. So they're accepting guest writers application. Is paid, and this one has a deadline of the 21st of August. Writers to contribute to this with paid editorial commissions. Each commission piece is approximately 1,000 words with a fixed fee of 100 euros per article. So they're open, they're closing on 21st of August. So look at what they want to write. You can look at it and see if it's something you love and apply ASAP. Now I'm just going to give you one grant. There are many grants I have on my magazine, but I'll give you this one. Since the deadline is on the 31st of July, so I want you guys to apply for this. Is a grant for writers specifically. It's called the Diverse Writers Grants Program. On the 31st, so they're supposed to pay you 500 USD for this. So they support writers from underrepresented and underprivileged communities who are developing book-length speculative fiction manuscripts. Okay, so it's open worldwide. If you're developing a book-length speculative fiction manuscript, you can reach out to them. Yes, guys, so I've just shared 7 here, but I have a truckload of these. I have grants, I have paid publications. I have so many of them that will be out in the second issue of my magazine, which will be released on the 1st of August. So yes, we are releasing the second issue of Right magazine, and it has so many opportunities like this for writers. So I am going to go ahead and drop them with you. I'll share them with you. Once we drop the magazine, I'm going to share it with you so you can go and download it, and it's completely free, so you have access to it. So yes, guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.